Hello to all. Before starting, I would like to thank Commonwealth of Learning and IIT Kanpur for providing a platform for learning massive open online course. My name is Ram Naresh Kumar. I am a PhD student from Dinubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India. In this video, I will talk about knowledge management and its importance. The concept of knowledge has been discussed by Greeks since ancient time. It is a concept with multi-layered and multidisciplinary such as philosophy, economic, management, information technology and so on. Many authors has defined as knowledge. According to David Port, knowledge is a fluid mix of framed experience, value, contextual information and expert insight that provides a framework for evaluating and incorporating a new experience and information. According to the information science, knowledge being distinguished between data, information and knowledge. It defines data as a raw facts, symbols, unorganized and unprocessed facts, while information as a flow of message or processed data that has some meaning. Knowledge is an interpretation of information or information combined with experience. From the literature, I found the definition of knowledge is very important and it is viewed in different approaches, like information as a centric element, action as important, appearance of role, and process point of view. Therefore, knowledge is viewed in different approaches. There are various classification of knowledge, or we can say there are various taxonomies of knowledge. Michael Polanyi was the first man who argued that knowledge can be classified into two broad categories, one like explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is defined as the personal knowledge embedded in individual experience and involve intangible factors such as personal beliefs, perspective or value system. And whereas explicit knowledge is the knowledge which can be experienced in words, numbers or shared in the form of data or scientific formula. Coming to the knowledge management is an emerging field which can be contribute to a lot to different fields like engineering, education, library and so on. Now knowledge management in an organization refers to the systematic process of acquiring, organizing, exchanging knowledge among the peoples in order to have effective utilization of knowledge. In the context of information technology, knowledge management as the mapping of knowledge and information resources both online and offline, training, guiding and equipping using with knowledge accessing tools, monitoring outside the news and information. The main strategy of knowledge management is to provide the right knowledge to the right people at the right time and help the people to share among themselves the information which they have so that they can improve the organization performance. There are various definitions of the knowledge management, but the central theme of the knowledge management is to provide and manage the knowledge and encourage the people to create and share among themselves and add value to the product and service. Now let's see what's the difference between the information management and the knowledge management. Information management focus on recording and processing the explicit information, whereas knowledge management focus on capturing tacit and explicit knowledge. Information knowledge is not concerned with the process of knowledge creation or innovation, whereas knowledge management is concerned with knowledge creation and innovation. Information management is not centric, human centric, whereas knowledge management is more human centric. Now, information management is designed for centralizing information storage and control, whereas knowledge management is designed for distributed access, storage and control. That's all. Thank you.